Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Redbubble, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for Redbubble, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Redbubble website URL, www.redbubble.com. Once the site loads, look for the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button. You will be presented with two options: signing up using your email address or connecting via Google or Facebook. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password that meets the site's requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. If you prefer to sign up using Google or Facebook, click on the respective option and follow the prompts to log in. Once you've completed the sign-up form, click the Sign Up button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email from Redbubble. Check your inbox and open the email titled Confirm Your Account. Click the link within the email to verify your account. After confirming your email, return to the Redbubble website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, complete your profile by adding your display name and profile picture. Explore the site and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Congratulations, you are now registered on Redbubble and ready to start creating and selling your art. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.